Okay, it's ready.
Recording?
Yeah.
Safe start. Spring brake set. Transmission in neutral. Push in the clutch. Turn on the key. ABS light should turn on and then turn right back off. If it stays on, that indicates a fault with the ABS system. Start the truck holding your hand next to the key for up to 5 seconds, waiting for your oil pressure gauge to rise. Water temperature 150 to 210. Oil pressure 20 to 60. Voltmeter 12 to 14. Steering wheel is clean, not cracked or broken. No more than 10 degrees of free play or 2 inches of free play on a 20-inch diameter wheel. City horn works, highway horn works. All 3 pedals are well grooved. All 3 are free of grease, oil, obstructions, and debris. The clutch has 1 to 2 inches of free play. Brake is firm, not soft or spongy. 10-pound, fully charged ABC fire extinguisher. Safety pin is present within immediate reach or in the side compartment clearly marked. 3 red reflective triangles in good condition. A spare fuse for every circuit, unless the truck is equipped with circuit breakers. Seat belt is not cut, torn, worn, or frayed. It latches and unlatches as it should. Headlights. Headlights all the way on. Panel dim, panel bright. Left turn indicator works. Right turn indicator works. High beam indicator works. Hazard indicators work. Lights are done. Wipers on, wipers off. Windshield washers work as they should. Arms and blades are securely mounted, not cracked or broken. Our windshield is clean, not cracked or broken, free of obstructions and illegal stickers. Mirrors are clean, not cracked or broken, free of obstructions, and are well adjusted. Heat and the defrost, both work. For the brake test, we're going to get our air pressure all the way up to 120. In, transmission in low gear. I'm going to do my tractor spring brake test. I'm going to do my trailer spring brake test. I am going to do the trailer service brake test. I'm going to do the combination foot service brake test. Truck did not pull left or right, but if it did, that would indicate a low tire, suspension issue, shifted load, or a brake out of adjustment. Air leakage test. Static air leakage test. After the initial air loss of 10 to 15 psi, no more than 3 psi air loss in 1 minute. Application air leakage test. We're going to apply firm pressure to the combination foot service brake and hold it. After the initial air loss of 10 to 15 psi, no more than 4 psi air loss in 1 minute. Low air warning test. Make sure the key's on. Low air warning light and buzzer should turn on before we drop below 60 psi. Low air warning light and buzzer came on about 70. Next is the emergency spring brake test. We're going to continue to fan down the combination foot service brake and make sure the red trailer valve pops out first between 45 and 20 psi, and the yellow tractor valve pops out next between 40 and 20. Red must pop first. They both popped out. The red one popped out first at about 30 psi. Now we're going to do the air recovery test. Another safe start. We should be able to recover our air from 0 to 80 psi in 3 to 3.5 minutes, from 85 to 100 psi in 45 seconds while idling. Air compressor governor cuts in between 90 and 100 psi and cuts out between 120 and 125 psi. If it does not cut out, the safety valve will open at 150 psi to save the air system from damage. And that's it. So, as soon as Yuri gets done, I'm going to go help him so he does get done. You can hop in there. You need to keep practicing this.
I am.
All right.